Sela is very excited today. She just got a letter from her friend. Hey Sela, can we read that letter with you? That is an interesting letter, Sela, and a riddle for you to solve. The riddle says, to get the date of my birth, go to 7 and move 5 steps backwards. Next, go to 6 and move 2 steps back. To get the month of my birth, just go to 9 and move 3 steps back. If you do this on the number line, you will know my birth date in no time. Let us solve this riddle and have some fun. The first clue to find the date of birth says, go to 7 and move 5 steps backwards. So, let us start at number 7. Now we move 5 steps backwards from 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, and finally from 3 to 2. Starting from 7 and moving 5 steps backwards on the number line, we reach number 2. Note that 7 minus 5 is 2. This is the first digit of the date of birth. The second clue to find the date of birth says, go to 6 and move 2 steps back. So, let us start at number 6. Now we move 2 steps backwards from 6 to 5 and from 5 to 4. Starting from 6 and moving 2 steps backwards on the number line, we reach number 4. Note that 6 minus 2 is 4. This is the second digit of the date of birth. So, the first part of Sela's friend's date of birth is 24. Good going. The clue to find the month of birth says, go to 9 and move 3 steps back. So, let us start at number 9. Now we move 3 steps backwards from 9 to 8, from 8 to 7, and from 7 to 6. Starting from 9 and moving 3 steps backwards on the number line, we reach number 6. Note that 9 minus 3 is 6. This is the number of the month in which Sela's friend was born. So, Sela's friend was born on the 24th of the 6th month of the year. Let us look at the calendar. The 6th month of the year is June. The riddle is solved. Sela's friend's birthday is on 24th June. Don't forget to wish her a happy birthday, Sela. Now, let us find out what we were doing while moving backwards on a number line in steps. While moving backwards on a number line in steps, we were performing subtraction of numbers. To subtract two numbers on a number line, we start from the bigger number and move as many steps backwards as the smaller number. For example, to subtract 5 from 7, we start from 7 and move 5 steps backwards to get 2 as the answer. Carefully observe the subtraction of other pairs of numbers on the number line. We can use a number line to subtract numbers by counting backwards. To subtract one number from a second on a number line, we start at the bigger number and move as many steps backwards as the smaller number.